Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, we're going to talk about how to fix the Rockstar Games error. The one that says, sorry, we are unable to handle your requests at this time. So for that one, I have an easy fix for you. First thing is check your time, because sometimes your PC time and date doesn't really synchronize for real time, and that really affects for online games. To do this one, right click on the time. Click on adjust date and time here. I always click on sync now. Once you see the check right there, everything is good to go. You always want to click on automatically set for that one for future references. So what's next? For the next one right now is basically removing any VPN. So right here I have a NordVPN I'm using. I'm making sure it's not going to be connected. You also have some VPN installed for your Microsoft PC. So for some reason if you have a connection here, make sure you turn it off. And this right here are not really optional, but if you have connection there, please turn it off. That's the second one. And the last one is basically opening up your Rockstar Games account. In here, go to your account right there, account here, go to view my profile, because we're looking for linked games. So we're gonna unlink something first. So this is gonna be the settings, right? I just click on settings on the account right there, click on link accounts, and make sure everything here is unlinked. Alright? And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.